Now, for those who want to take even more control, right, and perhaps outperform the passive investors, the next step is going to be the active trader. Now, when most people hear the word active trader or trading particularly, the first thing that pops into their mind is day trade, day trade, day trade. I'm not really quite sure why that is. I guess it's the most popular form of trading that we hear about in movies and shows because it's all action and we like our action flicks. But when most people hear this, it intimidates the hell out of them because it is scary, right? I don't know if you've ever seen, day trading in live action, especially if you're someone that doesn't know what's happening, but it's a lot of monitors, it's a lot of assets and instruments on those monitors. Everything's blinking and changing colors and moving this and that. And people are typing and shouting out numbers and making buys and calls and sells and blah, 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 right? And you're like, how the hell could I ever do this? Another scary thing about it, aside from the actual trading activity, is the fear, I guess, or maybe not fear, but the understanding that, man, if I want to be good at this, I really have to dedicate a lot of time and a lot of energy into this craft. And that is another thing that people typically don't want to do, or in some cases just can't do because of whatever lifestyle choices they've made. So not only is day trading intimidating and confusing and time consuming, but it also means you got to put in a lot of work, a lot of effort into acquiring a skill. As a passive investor, take money, throw it, take money, throw it. It just does its thing, right? Active day trading, you actually have to learn a skill and you have to be good enough at that skill not to get destroyed by the markets. And I'll give you a secret, right? 90% of traders get destroyed by the market. So you've got to be in that top 10% of good just to survive. We're not even talking about making millions of dollars, right? Just to survive and turn some sort of profit, which is a scary thing to think about.